Hello from the Pyramids of Giza. We are going flying today. I'm at the helipad right now, taking a microlight around the pyramids. Yes. If you guys are not aware, they do have events like this almost every month, but not every single month, but you can look online. So a couple years ago, I went flying with, I believe it was Sky One. I went on a paramotor with my husband. It was his first time flying. He's Egyptian, around the pyramids, but I've never done a microlight before. And so I decided, I saw this on Instagram really quickly with Skydive Pharaohs. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today, flying over the pyramids. I will leave the website if you guys want to look at this yourself, book and see the availability, but I know they're flying from November 12th, I think, to the 30th, and then December 25th to the 31st, something like that. There's several different ticket options, and I didn't know which one to buy, so I just bought the cheapest one, which is still quite expensive. It's like 8,000 pounds or $168. It's expensive for a 10-15 minute flight if you look at some other countries around the world. But of course, you're flying over the pyramids. They have another option for flying, which is more money. It's like 13,000 pounds. I don't even know how much that is in US, but that takes you over by the Nile and some other monuments. So it's a longer flight. I think it's like 30 minutes and you see a lot more. I probably would have spent that if I had known, and I can upgrade right now, but I don't know, I have to wait till 3 p.m. It's like early in the morning right now. So anyways, we're going flying. We're gonna be flying over the gem, I believe, the pyramids, the Sphinx. It's gonna be amazing. I'm very excited. There's a special bus that gets you out here. So you go to like the new gate and they have the Skydive Pharaohs bus that will take you guys out here. So if you're interested in doing flying over the pyramids, once in a lifetime experience, if you're visiting Egypt, you know, check it out. Anyways, it's gonna be amazing. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, I'm back. I haven't jumped in the flight yet, but I was able to upgrade and get an earlier flight. So I'm gonna be going very soon. And it is the one that goes over the Nile. It is 5,000 more Egyptian pounds. So another like $100, 105. But mate, I've flown over the pyramids with a paramotor and I really wanted to see the Nile with this and see the city, you know, and get footage of the city. So I'm doing it. And it's a once in a lifetime. I mean, I could go again. I live here, but yeah, I'm gonna upgrade. So that is it. They record with their own footage. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to bring my GoPro or not, and they just make this edited video for you that's included. But anyways, we're gonna get some amazing footage. I know that. I'm very excited. People are just waiting for their flights. I'm waiting for mine. And then we're gonna do the 30 minutes instead of like, I think it's like 10 to 15 minutes if you just do the Sphinx, the gem, and the pyramids. But with this flight, you see it all, I believe. I hope we see the Grand Egyptian Museum with that flight too, because that would be cool. Anyways, Nile, pyramids, sailing in the air. Yalla bina. Here we go, guys. I got my pilot, Muhammad. Ahlan. Yalla bina. It's windy today. You're the boss. Ya besha. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Crazy. I'm alive. That was so crazy. Shukran. Oh, wow. My mind is blown. All right, I should have been recording this whole like landing, but holy shit. That was the craziest flight I've ever had. I've been skydiving, I've been paragliding, I did the paramotors over the pyramids, but the Microlight is something else, bro. That is so windy. I was like, I kissed the ground when I got back. Holy shit.
Welcome back.
Thank you, man. That was crazy. It was scary but thrilling, like full of adrenaline. The view, obviously, the Nile, but oh my God, dude. I feel like I'm just made of adrenaline right now. Oh, that was terrifying but amazing. It's so windy, dude. Though that guy was strong to like keep that thing. They do this every day, or like, I don't know, that's their job. That's crazy. All I can say is crazy, speechless, adrenaline. I feel like I can barely walk. Yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, I guess, guys. Wow, amazing. I don't even know how my footage turned out. Everything went out of my head when I was up in the air, just like, holy shit. I can't even, yeah, so recommend skydive, Pharaohs, Microlight, or they got skydiving and other events. Check it out online throughout the year. I'll leave the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ma salama.